Welcome to our detailed comparison of two powerful AMD processors, the Ryzen 7700X and the Ryzen 99900X3D. In this video, we will explore their specifications, performance capabilities, and pricing to help you make an informed decision. Whether you're a gamer or a content creator, understanding these processors will be crucial in choosing the right one for your setup. Let's dive in. When it comes to core count, the AMD Ryzen 99900X3D takes the lead with 12 cores, compared to the Ryzen 7700X's 8 cores. This difference can significantly impact performance, especially in multi-threaded applications and high-end gaming scenarios. More cores allow for better multitasking and improved performance in demanding tasks, making the 9900X3D a better choice for content creators and heavy users. Another critical factor is the cache size. The Ryzen 99900X3D boasts a substantial 140 megabytes of cache, which is nearly double that of the Ryzen 7700X's 80 megabytes. A larger cache can lead to faster data access and improved performance in gaming and other applications, making the 9900X3D a more powerful option for users who demand high performance. Finally, let's discuss the price. The AMD Ryzen 7700X is priced at $399, making it a more budget-friendly option for gamers and general users. In contrast, the Ryzen 99900X3D comes with a higher price tag of $599. While the 9900X3D offers superior performance, the price difference is significant and may influence your decision based on your specific needs and budget. In conclusion, both the AMD Ryzen 7700X and the Ryzen 99900X3D have their strengths and are designed for different types of users. The 7700X offers excellent performance at a more accessible price point, while the 9900X3D is geared towards high-end gaming and content creation with its additional cores and larger cache. We hope this comparison has helped you in your decision-making process. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.